Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about have and has. So let's imagine we have a group of people. This young lady has a lovely place, a house, and this young man has a cool car. So what do they have in common? A house, a car, possession. Okay, so has comes with singular pronouns like he, she, and it. He has is then followed by an object. The object could be something you own, like a bike. He has a blue bike. It could also be appearance, like she has pretty eyes, or event, like it has cool parties. Have comes with plural pronouns, like we and they. It also comes with I and you. I hope you have benefited and understood this lesson. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. Thank you so much. Hedaya Hemayed. Over and out.